cost is a factor and it's per asset, right? But I think about it a different way, because if I'm growing a business, or if I'm in a business that's seasonal, if I'm in a business where there could be some fluctuation, right? What I love about the model is the predictability of the cost.
So, I mean, I had a conversation with a customer this morning on that very same topic, you know, and they were going through a huge growth mode. So they were 400 people today. They're going to be 1,000 in October, right? That's huge. Big numbers. You're talking about 100 people a month you're essentially onboarding. So, I mean, after you get your organization over that, you know, just the aspect of onboarding 100 people, how do you answer those questions about, okay, now I need to scale my technology team to support these extra 100 people I'm adding every month?
That would be a daunting task if you're looking at scaling that all internally.
Trying to do it internally, it would be impossible, close to it. But with an MSP, you know, we go in and we add clients with 400, 500, 600 users a month. And so we understand how to scale that model. So when you add 100 users to your organization, it's not a shock to us, because we weren't managing your system with 2 people over in the corner. We've got this deep bench of people. We've got this deep, you know, set of skills that allow us to very quickly ramp up support for an organization.
Well, prime case in point, I think it was back in, was it November timeframe, that I think over a 45-day window, it was way more than 400 or 500. Wasn't it like?
Yeah, so in October, from October to into December, essentially, we onboarded 800 locations for a retail customer.
Right, and that was just one.
That was one customer.
One customer. So clearly, you get the benefit of scale, right, and the fact that an MSP is going to do it across thousands and thousands of endpoints, locations. You're spreading those costs around, and therefore get predictability in the cost model for your business.
Exactly. So if I know, you know, that adding a new user and a laptop and everything else, you know, all the assets that this user requires cost me $60 a month additionally on my MSP contract. When I'm that organization that's 400 and I'm growing by 100 a month, I know what my cost increase is every month. It's predictable based on the number of people that I hire.